I'm the #1 technician at the cat store, deeply loved by many customers. They say my movements are professional and comfortable, but what they don't know is, behind all this, what kind of sad stories do you have? Remember the time when I first came to Cat Cafe? I am a child who knows nothing. Reception of guests every day is a serious matter. I thought at the time, just finish the work on time. So when guests touch me, I almost always stay still. Allow customers to play with it at will. But after a long time, I realized that, in this way, although it can obtain the favorable comments of most customers, but there are still some customers who feel that I'm just slacking off. So I immediately made a change. I started to proactively cooperate with customers, observe customers' expressions more, give them timely feedback on their actions. Thus, I have reaped another batch of loyal customers. Some people even make an appointment for the service in advance. I feel very happy after being recognized. I have become more and more aware of cooperating with customers. So that's how my name gets louder and louder. But over time, I'm meeting more and more customers. The variety of guests has also become diverse. Among them, I found that a few people have a clothing habit, although I feel strange. But unfortunately, they gave too much money. So I also started preparing various costumes. Decorate your work environment. At the same time, I have also expanded other businesses. For example, accompanying guests to dinner. Help them clear their worries. Accompanied movie service. Release the customer's lonely heart. Finally, I've also dealt with the most difficult customers. I became the signature cat in the store. The previously shriveled wallet is becoming increasingly plump, but I don't have the same passion for my work as before. I used to serve others. I want to serve myself this time. So I resign, take my money and travel around the world together.